Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Josiah with Sarasota Internet Consulting, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your business listings, specifically adding managers, taking away, taking team members and making sure that they have access to your Google business listing, and all sorts of things like that. So with that being said, the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to type in your business name exactly as it shows up in Google. So you just open it up and you can either type in your business name exactly as it shows up. That's one way. The other way is you could just type in my business. And if you type in my business, if you're logged into your Google profile that is associated with the business account, Google's automatically going to pull this up for you and you're going to see a menu that looks just like this. So from here, this is how you can actually edit all of the settings that are associated with your Google business profile. You know, the thing that's associated with Google Maps, it's the same thing. Google Business Listing, that's another name for it. But in order to add extra users, what you would do is you would come on over here, you click these three dots, Business Profile Settings, and People and Access. And from here, you're going to click this little button that says Add. And from here, you can go ahead, you can choose what permissions you want. Generally speaking, I'll let you guys choose which one makes the most sense for you guys. But basically, you're just going to pick one of these two here. It has the descriptions underneath. And then lastly, you'll just go ahead and you will type in the name of the person that you want to add to the listing. So you hit that, you hit invite. The next thing that happens is the person will receive an email. It says, hey, you've been invited to manage this Google business listing. And at that point, guys, it's all set. So if you have any questions, let us know. And if you guys are looking for search engine optimization services, Google Ads services, things like that, ways to really just get your phone ringing for your business. We service all businesses, all local businesses in the United States. We can certainly help you out with this, and we'd love to talk more. So check the description below. We'll have a link to our website along with a little contact form. And if we can help you guys with anything, let us know. Thanks so much.